Fairmont Beijing balances timeless luxury with personalized service in one of the city's most desirable locations. While the hotel could benefit from a soft refurbishment in the near future, the strengths far outweigh any signs of aging. Service is consistently outstanding, and amenities like the massage chair, gold lounge access, and in-room air care system speak to a guest-first mentality that's hard to fake. It's the kind of place where you feel taken care of without being hovered over. Where comfort doesn't mean excess, and where quiet moments, a great coffee in the lounge, a birthday cake on arrival, a nap in a massage chair, linger in memory long after checkout.